Hello fam, welcome back to another lovely video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to mix clove and ginger to make an effective hair growth oil, or should I say powerful clove and ginger oil, because you will love what I'm coming to show you guys today. Just stay tuned whilst we dive into the video. Yes. Over here I have my blender with me. As usual, you can't do without your blender, so I have my blender here with me, and the next thing I need is my clove. Yes guys, as you know, clove contain antifungal, antimicrobial properties. These help fight downdraft and prevent the itchy sensation. And guys, when it comes to natural hair, you can't do without clove, because clove is a very powerful ingredient when it comes to natural hair. And here I need just 20 grams, and that's all that I put in there. The next thing is my ginger. Guys, when it comes to ginger boosts hair growth, it reduces hair loss, it makes hair soft and shiny, it gets rid of dandruff. So guys, as you're seeing ginger, you can't do without ginger when it comes to natural hair. And just imagine combining these two ingredients together. So all I have to do is to chop my ginger into smaller pieces, since I am going to blend it. So either you chop it just like how I'm chopping it into pieces like this, or if you like, you can grate it too. So I am done chopping it. Mine is just to toss it into my blender, as you can see me do here. So you toss all the chopped ginger into the blender where the clove is. With these two combinations, you can just imagine. So the next thing that I need is my coconut oil. So I'll be adding 100 ml of coconut oil to my clove and ginger. And guys, when it comes to coconut oil, it helps moisturize and seal your hair. It helps prevent dry, flaky scalp and downdraft, as well as split end and hair breakage. It makes your hair look shiny, stronger and longer. And combining these three ingredients together, guys, so as you can see how I just shake it, mine is just to blend these three ingredients together. So there it is, I'm about to blend my ingredients. So you have to blend all these ingredients together into a smooth paste. Wow, as you can see, I'm done blending my ingredients. The next thing that I need is my frying pan. Yes, somebody will say, why are you going to fry an egg? No, I'm not going to fry an egg. I'm just pouring the blended ingredient into the frying pan because I need to fry it on a low heat. So just follow me carefully and see how I'm going to do it. So the next thing is me putting it on fire. As you can see, you're on a low heat, as I said. And when you put it on fire, you have to stir it consistently so that it doesn't burn, because when it's burn, you won't like the scent and it can't help you to achieve what you intended to achieve. So as you can see, I'll continue stirring it like this till 20 to 30 minutes before I'll take it off fire. When you stir it consistently like this, it prevents the ingredient from burning, and as I said, it needs to be on low heat. Don't put it on heat that is very high. It should be a low flame heat, guys. So you can see how it is frying. So I need to let it fry. As I said, when you are frying it, you need to time it because you don't want to over fry it. And whilst you are frying, as I said, you continue stirring consistently. You see how the color has changed. I off it. After offing it, I need to put it down and wait till it cools down. So I am done frying my clove and ginger together, leaving it for it to cool down. Well, now it has cooled down, and the next thing I need is my plain glass, my transparent or plain glass, then my sieve, and all this sieve, you need to make sure your sieve is clean, your grass plate too is also clean. I pour it into it because I'm coming to strain the oil out of the ingredient that I just put together, because you don't need all of these things to get stuck to your hair. So you need to strain it, and you can see as I'm doing it here by straining all the oil. You squeeze out any oil at all that your hands can get hold of. You can see how I'm squeezing it, trying to get all the oil out because I really need it for my hair. Wow, see how beautiful the oil is looking, guys. And the smell, it smells so nice, so lovely. Look at the color. The color is looking so beautiful. Oh wow. So the next thing that I need is my vitamin E oil. You know, vitamin E oil helps replace the protective layer, and it brings back shine. It also helps seal out moisture, reduce breakage, and protect the hair from damage. So I always need my vitamin E oil in my hair. That is why I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Moreover, this is a mixture of ginger and clove. That is why I need vitamin E oil to seal everything. And vitamin E oil, that you know, is an essential oil. The next thing is I need my container. My container is clean and dry. There is nothing in there. I've never used it. So what I'm coming to do next is just to transfer the oil inside that clean container. The oil looks so beautiful. See, guys, let me tell you, when it comes to your hair, your skin, you really need to take very good care of it if you want a good result. So you can see how beautiful the oil look. Very beautiful. And the smell is so amazing. So the next thing I have to do is I'll cover it like this and keep it in the fridge for just 10 minutes. Because I just want it to cake. But guys, you can equally use it like this. So after 10 minutes, you can see how the oil is looking. See how it melts so nicely in my palm. Guys, please just do this thing and apply it to your hair and see the results that you get. And guys, I'm showing you guys how you apply it to your hair. You apply it to the scalp, the focus should be on the scarf, and you make sure when you apply it to the scarf, you massage the scarf well. Today, I just want to hold some 3 ponies for my daughter, so I'm just applying it to her hair and holding the pony at the same time. It's a very nice oil. It's good for both children and adults. The smell is just amazing, and this is what I've been applying to my daughter's hair and helping my daughter's hair to grow nicely and beautifully. You will use this oil 3 times weekly, and when using it, this oil actually helps treat your baldness and thin edges and makes it to grow very fast. It helps your hair to grow really beautiful without any issue. Guys, thanks so much and stay blessed till I see you guys in my next video. Guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification and get notified when I share my next video. Thank you and bye.